In an increasingly interconnected world, the discourse surrounding environmental ethics varies significantly across cultures. For instance, indigenous communities often adhere to a holistic view of nature, perceiving themselves as custodians rather than exploiters of the earth. This perspective contrasts starkly with the utilitarian approach prevalent in Western societies, where nature is frequently viewed as a resource to be harnessed for economic gain. In places like Australia, Aboriginal Australians have long practiced land management techniques that promote biodiversity. These practices are rooted in a deep spiritual connection to the land, showcasing an intrinsic respect for all living beings. Conversely, urbanized regions in the United States may prioritize technological advancements aimed at sustainability, such as renewable energy sources and urban green spaces. While these initiatives are commendable, they sometimes lack the cultural reverence for nature that characterizes indigenous practices. As globalization continues to erode cultural boundaries, the challenge lies in harmonizing these disparate views. The integration of indigenous knowledge into mainstream environmental policies could foster a more inclusive approach to conservation, allowing for a synthesis of technological innovation and cultural wisdom. In navigating environmental issues, it is crucial to recognize that the path to sustainability is not merely a scientific endeavor but a deeply cultural one, requiring a nuanced understanding of diverse perspectives.